Right? Now this is the part 2 of us making our tea. Now this is just some hot water I am putting in here. And for the last week or so, I was drinking some soursop tea. But now that I have my Unwinding tea, I'm going to be drinking it. Now this is the second set that I made. This smells so nice. The lavender just got it. I mean, if you smell this, it's gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons in here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it boil. I'm going to let it boil for about maybe no more than 10 minutes. And then I'm going to let it sit for another 15 minutes or so. And then we will have our tea. Okay? So I will be right back with you, right? Our tea is all done. I really didn't let it sit. I just did it for like 10 minutes or so. I didn't really let it sit. But the longer you let it sit, the stronger it's going to get. It's going to get darker. It's going to get stronger. But I wanted to have my tea. So we are going to go. I'm going to take this off the stove. We are going to go and get our tea. This tea smells so nice. I mean, the lavender in this tea just has the whole house smells so good. So we are going to have a cup of tea now. I hope that y'all can see. But yeah, this is our tea. Looking good. And I just sweeten my tea with some honey. And that's it. What you can do, you can let it cool down a little and then put the honey in it so not to kill, any of the beneficial. So I'm going to let this cool a little because it's still quite hot. I can just let it cool down a little and then I would sweeten it. I think that it has cooled down a bit. So I am just going to put a little bit of honey in it. You could drink it like this if you want. You don't even have to put the honey in it because I drank it before without honey and it was just as good. But the honey just does something. Takes it over. So let's taste our tea. Yeah, you can taste the lavender, you can taste the chamomile, you can taste the lemon balm, you can taste the rose petals. This tea is an awesome tea. It is quite nice. If you like orange peel or anything like that, you could put this in it as well, but I didn't want anything like that. This is an awesome tea. So thank you so much for watching part 2 of us making and drinking our tea. So I hope that you enjoy this as well, this part 2, and that you will try this tea at home for yourself because it's an awesome tea. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Annie again. And for those of you that are only seeing part 2, should go back and watch part 1 so you can see how we made this tea blend. So have an awesome, awesome day. And until I see you again next time in another video. And if you want to see more videos from me, you know what to do. You can subscribe to the channel, you can like the channel, send me a comment and tell me if you made the tea and how it was for you. Because when you come home from a hard day's work, you want a nice cup of tea.